concerns you about dating a foreigner? What do you think is exciting or appealing about dating someone from a different culture? Do you think people might judge you for dating someone from another culture? And would that make you hesitant to date a foreigner?
Kwarta.
Money. She said money. What do you mean money? If he has money? No. What do you mean big? What do you mean? She said ducks. It's like a gay language, right?
Yeah.
Gay language, ducks. Big. What do you mean? What's big? What's your name and age?
Monique po, 21.
Okay, so Monique, here's the question. What concerns you about dating a foreigner?
Sige. Ano nga? Ay, okay.
Ano ba yung concern mo kung makikipag-date ka sa foreigner?
Kwarta.
Money. She said money. What do you mean money? If he has money,
Yeah.
why?
Kasi malaki. Ay, di. Bawal magsabi.
Kasi what?
Bawal magsabi bastos.
What?
Bastos.
She said if she could speak in what is bastos in like not no in not like doesn't have manner. Bastos doesn't have manner. What do you mean? Like what?
I'm into ano man. Yang foreigner.
You're into foreigner.
Iyo, okay lang.
Okay. But your concern is if they have money, why?
Kasi mahirap na kaya sa Pinas.
Ah.
Papahirapon pa ba lalo?
So she said because Philippines is already poor here. So why be poor more? Okay. I'm trying my best to translate her. Okay, so that's what she said. Do you think people might judge you for dating someone from another culture? And would that make you hesitant to date a foreigner?
No. Because, anong paki nila?
Let's just put this like they don't I don't care like that. Okay, what
I don't eat guff.
you don't mind them.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, what do you think is exciting or appealing about dating someone from a different culture? Ano sa paghiling mo yung exciting and appealing tungkol sa pakikipag-date, sa sarong tao from another culture?
Baka madala nila ako sa kanilang bansa.
She said that they might bring her to their country.
Tapos magka lahi din ng anak.
She said, and also have a baby, half baby. Half. Okay, half baby. Okay, so you want your baby half
Yeah.
Filipino and half foreigner.
Pwede man full foreigner.
She said, also, could be full foreigner. But you're Filipina, so it's gonna be half.
Yeah. Pwedeng okay na yan.
She said, yes. Okay. Okay, how about this one? What's one culture you would love to explore through a relationship?
American, kano.
American.
Mm.
Why American culture?
Kasi maputi, saka maputi.
Because they're white, she said. I want to ask, are you being like real with these answers? Like, yes?
Exactly.
Oh, so sorry. Yes?
Yes.
She's very honest. And you are, how old are you again, Ben?
21.
What do you 21? Are you studying or you're working now?
I'm studying, but I'm working now.
Single?
Yes.
Okay, what's the oldest you would date?
Um,
Yung pinakagurang na i-date mo? Na foreigner?
50.
50 years old. What's your job, eh? What's your job?
Ano nga ito?
She's not sure about her job. What do you mean? You're not... yeah, what's your work now?
Service crew.
Service crew.
May SM.
SM. Food court.
Sa may classic savory.
Classic savory. Okay. Why you're not sure about your work? Do you have like more than one?
First time.
Oh, you just got hired.
Yeah.
Beautiful. How long have you been single, Beth?
2 years.
What are your names and ages?
Hi, I'm Andrea, 19 years old.
Andrea.
Yes.
Very beautiful. I really love your faces. And how about you, Beth?
I'm Rihanna, 18 years old.
Sisters.
Yes, pa.
They have a beautiful genes, beautiful smile. They're very pretty. Okay. Well, anyway, here's the question. Okay. The first one is, what concerns you about dating a foreigner?
Maybe different culture or different beliefs since their religion and they're from other countries. So yeah, I think
That's one. Okay. And you? You can say anything. What concerns you about dating someone from another country?
iba po yung beliefs nila and malayo po talaga sa Pilipino yung
She said that they have different beliefs that is very far or different from the Philippines, from the Filipinos. Do you think people might judge you for dating someone from another culture? And would that make you hesitant to date a foreigner?
for me I don't care because if I love that person, I will really fight for that because I don't care what they say.
What do you think is exciting or appealing about dating someone from a different culture? Ano yung exciting and appealing para sa imo? Dating someone from another culture.
I think kasi it's okay, it's okay. I think kasi it's more exciting because you will learn other culture from them. So parang mag-try ka ng different culture, more travel kasi more travel sila, more food, different kinds of foods, different kind of hobbies. Also okay, yun lang.
Okay, so their culture, because knowing them, they love to travel, they love to do things. So that's it. How about you, Be? Nothing? Pwede ka mag ano, Be? Yeah, yan. How about you, Be? Okay. Ano yung sa palagay mo yung exciting and appealing about dating someone from another culture? Nothing? Nothing. It's okay.
Their jeans. Oh. Jeans, like they're really handsome and tall like that.
Are you single or are you in a relationship?
Single
How long have you been single?
since birth.
And you too, Be? Both single since birth. Okay. Are you both in college?
I'm in college and she's going to college.
College. She's very shy, but both are very pretty. What's your course, Be?
I'm BS nursing. Yes.
That explains why. You sound smart. You answer the questions. It's good. Thank you. You're welcome. Anyway, thank you so much, Be. I'm not gonna keep you so long. Their parents are waiting. Their mama and their papa. Thank you so much, Be. What's your name and age?
My name is Je. I'm 24.
How are you tonight, Je?
I'm good.
That's good to hear. So, Je, here's the question. What concerns you about dating a foreigner?
I think what concerns me about dating foreigners or foreign peoples is, of course, my safety. Yeah, it is more important than anything else. My safety. Um, I mean, anong gagawin mo sa pera kung mamamatay ka?
She said that what are you going to do with your money if you're gonna die? Let me ask you a question. Why do you think people from other countries are dangerous?
Hindi lahat.
Not everyone. Is it okay if you speak English because our viewers are foreigners?
All right, sure. Not everyone. Some people, some women dies in different country. Let's say, I don't want to be specific. Some women dies in different country with no clear explanations or yeah, I don't know.
They die. Okay. So other than that, no more? Just your safety?
Just the safety.
Do you think people might judge you for dating someone from another culture, and would that make you hesitant to date a foreigner?
If you really love someone, you will not think about what they say. If you really love that person, even if he is a foreign from foreign countries, I don't think wala kayong pake.
You just don't care or it doesn't matter. What do you think is exciting or appealing about dating someone from a different culture?
Appealing or exciting. I think you would be excited because of their looks.
Very common, what do you call this?
Based on their looks, they're so handsome and ducks.
No. What do you mean big? What do you mean she said ducks? It's like a gay language, right?
Yeah,
Gay language, ducks. Big. What do you mean? What's big? What do you mean big?
Their heart.
Let's say in the future, would you ever date a foreigner?
Of course, if someone will, like me. If someone will like me as well, would like me as well.
I'm very impressed your English is good.
I don't know. I am actually not confident with with how I speak in English.
You sound good. What's your name and age?
My name is Shane C. Shane, and I'm 22 years old po.
You're so cute, Shane. I really love her eyes. Okay, so Shane, here's the question. What concerns you about dating a foreigner?
For me, it concerns a lot when it comes to naluloding ako.
Ano ba yung kinakatakot mo about dating a foreigner? Ano ba yung pinaka-concern mo about dating foreigner?
Mapalayo po sa family. Like, sa
Okay.
mother side po, ganun.
To be far away from her family, mother side. Okay. Why? You're thinking that you're gonna be like living abroad with your, what do you call this, partner, the foreigner?
Yes po.
Okay. How about live here in the Philippines?
Okay naman po dito.
Good. Okay. Do you think people might judge you for dating someone from another culture, and would that make you hesitant to date a foreigner?
Minsan.
Do you think people will judge you if you're dating a foreigner? Yes or no?
Yes po. Because,
Mhm.
sa panahon ngayon, like, sasabihin nila, nagjowa ko ng foreigner para perahan, ganon.
Because now they're gonna think that she's only after his money. Okay, she's with him because of his money. And would that make you hesitant to date a foreigner? Yes or no?
Yes po.
Okay. What do you think is exciting or appealing about dating someone from a different culture?
Siguro po, siguro po, ma'am, parang, tawag doon.
Ano yung exciting and appealing para sa imo about dating someone from another culture?
Siguro po, appealing. Like,
Exciting, appealing.
naloloading ako.
She said loading. Mental block. It's don't worry. Are you single or are you in a relationship?
Single po.
How long have you been single?
I think, 3 months.
3 months. Okay. Are you still in school?
Nag-stop po ako kasi nag-work po ako ngayon. Parang,
You stop in your working. What's your job?
I'm a janitress sa e-mall po.
E-mall. Oh, we love e-mall. That's where we do our grocery. E-mall. Okay. How long have you been working in e-mall?
3 weeks pa lang po.
3 weeks. Okay. So what are you doing here? It's already like 8:48 in the evening.
Kaka-out ko lang po.
You're going home.
Kakain po muna.
Oh, you're gonna eat dinner here. Street food. Oh, wow. Okay, that's interesting. Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflections